All right, take a look at the Silicone Pastry Mat. Ooh. Wow. That is actually pretty cool. Nice. So I do like that this actually sticks to the countertop, so you can get fairly aggressive with whatever you got going on top of here, and you don't have to worry about it sliding around. More importantly, you don't have to worry about whatever you're preparing falling off the counter. Now you can see this is the orange and white version. We got all kinds of measurements all over the place here. We got metric on the left and metric on the bottom. We got inches on the top and inches on the side. We got a little cheat sheet here on the bottom, so we can see that if we have 1 cup, that's 8 ounces, 16 tablespoons, 48 teaspoons, or 237 milliliters. So it's really nice having a little chart like that we can just use for quick reference. You got the same thing over here for temperatures, so 212 degrees Fahrenheit is the same as 100 degrees Celsius. I'm going to take a picture of this and keep it on my phone. That's actually really nice. Now looking at this, it looks like it's got some kind of a fiber mesh or something on the inside. You can kind of see that texture. You can't really feel it. It just feels like a silicone, but you can tell there's some extra structure in there. That's pretty cool. You can see that we can work with negative 40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. So that is equivalent to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So quite hot. But it also says don't start fires on here and don't try to cut it, because silicone you can cut. We got these rings on here so that you can make sure that you got areas about the same. So if you got kids or anything like that and they're always complaining about it, they got more than me. With this, as long as you get the right depth, you can make every cookie the exact same size. So you're not going to have to worry about that. So yeah, I mean, this, like, just for reference alone, this is pretty darn cool. But the thing about this, what I'm going to be using this mostly for, just throwing it on your countertop and using it like something you can't do with your countertop, which is pick it up and take it to the sink. Whenever you get done making a mess on this thing, just peel this guy up, take it over there, wash it off, and then put it away. This will make cleanup so much nicer. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool mat.